The stylish Mobie Plus is the most ingenious folding travel scooter available. Its patented design enables you to easily fold or unfold the Mobie Plus in less than a minute with no tools or disassembly required. Its compact, lightweight, and space-saving design makes it the ideal scooter for everyday use. The Mobie Plus is small enough to fit 2 scooters in the back of most vehicles. The Mobie Plus is excellent for travel and can be easily transported by car, plane, train, or boat, all without the use of a lift or ramp. Operating the Mobie Plus is simple and safe using the key-controlled unit with paddle acceleration, speed control, battery indicator, and horn. A roomy padded seat and armrest come standard. The 2-way adjustable tiller allows you to adjust to the perfect comfort. The powerful and stable 4-wheel Mobie Plus is designed to take you where you want to go. Use on pavement, grass, and other hard-packed surfaces. The Mobie Plus is equipped with an onboard battery storage compartment that enables you to store an additional optional battery, providing you with the peace of mind to know that you can travel up to 26 miles, twice the distance as one battery alone. When folded, the Mobie Plus allows you to roll the scooter along like a suitcase, making the Mobie Plus so easy to transport and store. At 53 pounds, you can take the Mobie Plus anywhere you go. The Mobie Plus folding travel scooter is compact and easy to use. It has all the features you've been looking for. Call your local Mobie Plus dealer today to begin your path to a happier, more mobile future. Enhance your mobility, enhance your life.
Enhance mobility.